In study objectives 2 and 3, we'll learn how to record journal entries for a buying and selling inventory. But before we get started on the transactions and journal entries, we need to be familiar with some selling terms. So when the seller sends goods to the buyer, along with the bill will indicate when the payment is due. If the terms on the invoice say N/30, which is pronounced net 30, that means that the bill is due in full, interest-free, 30 days. If the terms on the invoice say something like 210 net 30, that means that the customer is being given or offered a 2% discount if they pay quickly, meaning within the first 10 days of the invoice date. If the customer does not pay within the first 10 days, the customer still has a total 30 days to pay the bill in full. Now these terms might vary, and when you're doing homework in Wiley Plus, you'll have to read for the terms carefully. It might not always offer a 2% discount in 10 days. It might say something like 110 net 30 or 115 net 45. A company can set whatever terms they want. But remember that the first number is always the discount percent, followed by the number of days and the discount period, with the full number of days and the full credit period listed last. In real life, there's always some flexibility where if you have a very important customer that pays a little bit after the 10th day, you might let them get away with taking the discount anyway. Or if they pay after day 30, you might not get too upset with them if it's a very important customer and you value their future business. You don't want to offend them. However, when you're doing homework on Wiley Plus, go strictly by the dates. So they only have the first 10 days to take the discount, and that's all. So if a sale was made, let's say on October 1st, that customer would have 10 days up until October 11 to make that payment and take advantage of the discount.